Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today we've got a fun one for you. We've been seeing a lot of these Antminer Z15's come online, so that's what we're going to be talking with you guys about. We did see a batch of these. It looks like a truckload or skid load or something of these came online, so that's what we're going to be talking with you guys about today. The new Bitmain Antminer Z15. It is shown that it should get 420k souls, a little over 1500 watts. $20 a day. It's his estimated earnings with electricity cost of 435. You guys should be at 1629 in the profits. As you guys know, it's crypto. That's going to drop as more of these truckloads hit, because I can only imagine how many containers are around the U.S. of these going around. But we were following a solo mining pool that just ripped a solo mining block, and here we can see a fleet of these 440 souls average, kilosouls average here that we're seeing. So that's what we're going to be talking with you guys about today. This is Bitmain Antminer Z15 and then coming online over at 2miners.com, SOLO ZCASH. We are a cryptocurrency mining based channel focusing on pool testings, overclock setting testings, miner program testings, how-tos. We did build our remote garden location specifically meant so we could show you guys everything that we've done as far as electric updates and heat removal as you're scaling up. When we say scaling up, that's multiple GPUs and ASIC mining rigs. As far as our Zcash mining goes, we do have our squadron of Z9 minis hammering away over on 2miners.com SOLO ZCASH. We are trying the ramp and run technique. In the upper right hand corner, I'm going to have a link to that video. But today we are talking with you about the Bitmain Antminer Z15 and these things coming online. I just started to see these things come online here today, so I wanted to show you guys a little bit about them. Here's the stats. As you guys can see here, 1500 watts at the wall, pulling 420 kilosouls. Comment down below, did you get a skid of these? Let me know. Is that your address? I'd love to hear it. Also, if you guys are new to the channel, please hit that subscription bell. We really cherish that. Give us that thumbs up so everyone else can see these videos. Comment down below, let me know what you think about it. If you don't like these videos, please give it that thumbs down. Let us know why. In the description down below, I'm going to have links to all this stuff, as always, so you guys can see this stuff for yourself. Please head over to Red Panda Mining. He did have an unboxing of the Bitmain Antminer Z15 not too long ago. Please go check that video out. That is sick. One of the things, though, anyone knows that they got ASICs, these things are loud. This thing I know isn't in his house anymore, or isn't in that same room. I bet it's been moved. Comment down below. Tell me where you guys have moved your ASICs. I know they're loud as well. But today we're talking with you guys about the Bitmain Antminer Z15 and it coming online over at 2miners.com, their SOLO ZCASH pool. As you can see here, we got 17 mega souls hammering away solo, and these are all Z15's. It is supposed to get 420k souls a second. Most of those are well over 420k souls a second. Just think, each one of these costing you $4.38 residential. But we're talking with you guys today about the Bitmain Antminer Z15, and we are starting to see these come online. Solo mining, Zcash. That's where I would be with all that hash rate. But as you guys know, solo mining is not recommended. In the upper right hand corner, I'm going to have a link to a video telling you guys why. But please comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this. As always, I do head over to 2cryptocalc.com anytime I want to know how long it's going to estimate a time for me to find those blocks. Here, if we punch in 17 million, you're going to see that we're going to find a block every 7 hours, 27 minutes, guys. You guys can do the math. I also do like to head over to MININGPOOLSTATS.STREAM /Zcash. This way I can kind of see these hash rates, see them going up and down. You're going to be able to see 17 million souls jump online. I mean, that is a skid of these Z15s. I'd love to know, love to see pictures of that getting unboxed. Love to see where this is at. If this is your guys' address here and I'm stalking you guys, please comment down below. Tell me what you think. Send me some videos. We'd love to talk with you guys. But we have been talking with you about the Z15s coming online over here on 2Miners Solo, their Zcash pool. If you guys like this kind of stuff, please give us that thumbs up. That way others can see it. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscription bell. We really cherish it. If you guys want to follow us over on Twitter, in the description down below, we'll have links to that as well. You guys can see all of our latest and greatest tweets. But you can also talk with us specifically over in Discord. That's where you're going to be able to speak to us directly. Here you can see that ramp and run. That's something that we've been trying with our squadron of miners, just something that we've seen on a lot of different solo pools. But once again, wrapping up today, we've been talking with you about the Bitmain Antminer Z15. Make sure you hit that video up of Red Panda Mining and that unboxing. But these things are online, And they are crushing blocks, as you guys can see. My name's Wes, not your normal miner. Thank you.